Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am last day actually. I'm in India, and tonight we decided to go to a place this called House of Panaka, and this is actually the biggest Bahubali Thali in all of India. I think it's in the world, biggest thali in the world. So it's Pune's biggest Bahubali Thali. So let's guys check it out how it is. So here I am in the kitchen now. Let's see how they make it. What you making?
Jeera rice.
Jeera rice.
Or Indian,
Huh?
Indian Punjabi no.
Punjabi. Vegetables. So is the vegetables all pre-cooked?
Sorry?
The vegetables pre-cooked? Already cooked?
No.
It will cook there.
So vegetable curries. So corn, paneer, cheese, green peas.
Potato, green
Potatoes.
peas, radish.
So make ready any grease, vegetables, any grease meat.
This one?
Or roti, any grease, vegetables.
Funny grits.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Salad, onion, also chilies वगैरह.
Indian likes chilies. Without chilies, no Indian, right?
No, this is chilies favorite.
Yeah.
Rice.
Yeah. Making vegetarian.
So carrot, peas,
Yeah.
Katappa biryani. Actor is Indian actor. Bahubali is a South actor. Prabhas. Bahubali that is Katappa biryani.
And here the big roti is done. Wow.
That is
Sing it.
no problem. So funny. So funny. So make them pretty wow.
This is how they decorated the papa.
So papas. They want to naan, stuffed naan. So naan stuffed.
Naan. Okay.
Potato, cauliflower, paneer.
Those are vegetables. And cheese. Right.
And this is ready Bahubali.
Wow. This is our way to create this.
So butter.
This is butter. You wash butter? Okay. Yeah. Is it all spicy?
Medium spices.
Medium spicy.
Yeah.
Let's go eat now. Let's go eat. Wow.
are wrong.
Yeah, are you gonna eat by yourself?
No way.
Yes.
What happens if you eat it by yourself?
Let's challenge.
No.
Ask him. What happens if you eat it by yourself?
Yeah, what happens if you eat by yourself?
One person is a lifetime food.
Sorry? Free.
One person.
Free.
You can
Like,
eat the whole thing.
So all solution.
All food lifetime is free.
Oh,
If you can
okay.
finish, one person can finish all of this.
wow.
45 minutes.
25 minutes.
45 minutes.
45 minutes,
Oh. If you eat it in 45 minutes, only one person for lifetime here you can get free.
Oh my god. 45 minutes not possible. 2 घंटा 3 घंटा तो खा लेगा.
ट्राई करते हैं कभी कुछ थोड़ा.
हाँ?
70-80% है.
कितने?
80% में है लेकिन.
80%. How much is that? 80 people have tried.
No,
They've managed to finish 80% of this.
80% in 45 minutes.
For them, right? They've not been able to complete.
Whoa, they could eat a lot.
Too much.
this
Wow.
I think impossible. Is cutting finish in 45 minutes.
He's spreading the butter around.
Yeah.
इसके अंदर क्या है?
छोटे नान है.
हाँ?
छोटे नान.
Okay.
Keep it then.
And the lassi is also in there. The lassi is also in there.
Yeah. Buttermilk inside.
Thank you.
They serve it.
Moise says, you want some?
Muiz.
Say hi.
Muiz, this is bigger than your size.
Yeah.
Bigger than wings.
Moise Baba.
Your rice it?
Huh.
See there's rice inside.
Yeah.
Biryani.
Biryani, vegetable biryani inside. Yeah.
There's food. And here is food lover herself eating.
Oh, this is very good. It's a bit spicy, but it's very tasty. It's very tasty. I can eat it. It's not so spicy, but very tasty. I love it. I don't think we will finish all the curries.
Rice is
And just the roti is like so much full, so much inside. You can't eat anything else also. Like vegetables, all everything inside. Hey guys, so we had like it is so full and it's so heavy the roti. We even couldn't finish half of it, and I think we will take away now. And now they give for the mouth freshener. At last they'll give you mouth freshener just after food. It's a bit it is spicy. We didn't eat the all the curries. But the roti is very nice. I loved it. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like it, please put your thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye.